Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Amex Gold Additional Card holders. We'll dive into the specifics of adding authorized users to your American Express Gold Card. It's important to understand the benefits and potential drawbacks before proceeding. We'll cover everything from fees to shared rewards, helping you make an informed decision. This guide will help you maximize your card's potential. Adding an authorized user can unlock significant advantages. They can enjoy perks such as the 4 times points on dining and groceries, just like the primary card holder. This also provides an excellent opportunity for them to build their own credit profile responsibly. Plus, everyone can take advantage of those fantastic Amex offers, maximizing savings and rewards for the whole family. While the benefits are appealing, it's crucial to consider the costs. There is usually an annual fee for each additional gold card, so factor this into your budget. Remember, as the primary card holder, you are ultimately liable for every single purchase made by authorized users. Setting clear spending limits and having open communication is absolutely essential for financial peace of mind. Adding an authorized user is quite simple and can be done through your online account in just a few minutes. Once added, it's a smart practice to regularly review statements and track spending. Open communication with your authorized users about financial expectations is key. This ensures everyone understands their role and helps maintain a healthy financial standing for your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.